so excited, and look at all the yummy foods that we have. Show us what we have here, Alejandra. Talk to us. Salami, okay.
With, like, I don't know what that is. Yeah, you can just look, okay? Enjoy. Enjoy the view. We got some mixed pickled vegetables.
Yum. Get our veggies in.
And of course, we got some fresh brot. I don't know how to look.
Yes, brot.
We got an Apfel.
Der Apfel.
Der Apfel. And Käse.
Käse, yes.
Skeptical about this guy, but we're gonna try it.
We're gonna try it.
Yeah, might as well. Why not? And we got some pepper salami.
Your favorite. So excited. And look at this beautiful, beautiful view that we have here. It's kind of breezy, but it's nice because it's a little bit warm.
Yeah.
And today's September 1st. We leave in 5 days.
Oh god.
So sad, but I'm so excited to go and live with my host family and kind of start school. I'm not that excited for school, but it'll be good. We'll see how it goes. It's something new. And of course I'm excited for that.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're at the police station right now, and we just had like a little presentation, and now we're in a police car. We're getting arrested, Nick.
This car can go 250 kilometers an hour.
What the fuck?
This car is mostly filled with Alaskans right now.
What did they do this time?
I'm driving.
Oh.
And he opened the
Oh wait, let me introduce this. Okay, when we meet again in Weimar later on, technically it's next year, but this school year, how about that? We are gonna all meet up again together, and I want to do like a little interview here, see how people's German is and like their ability, and then compare it later on. So, just say like what you know how to say, like 2 or 3 sentences.
Introduction, okay. Hallo, ich bin Alejandra. Ich komme aus USA. No, ich komme
It's okay, it's okay.
Ich komme aus USA or California. I don't know how do
You can say either.
I say like I come from the USA and I live in California.
No, I'm not gonna tell you.
Ich komme aus California. I don't know.
Okay.
That's really bad. That's the extent of my German. Okay, then we
How
got
about yours? Just kidding.
Ich bin Franzi und ich komme aus Deutschland.
That was so good. Oh my gosh, you're like a
I'm
pro.
really proud of that. I'm really proud of that because I tried so hard. I just started studying in January.
January. Okay, you guys have to do I'm doing your interview now.
Okay. Wait, no.
Yes.
Wait, I'm not ready. I don't even speak German.
Okay, well then, Grace can go first.
Okay. Hallo, ich heiße Grace. Oh no. Oh, I don't know what to say. What do I
Just say like, I come from here, I'm
okay.
this old, how many siblings you have, whatever.
Okay. I know how to say all that. Ich komme aus Montana, Missoula. Wait, no, that was weird. No. Ich komme aus Missoula, Montana. Und ich bin 17 Jahre alt.
Sehr gut. Okay. Your turn.
Okay, hold on. Dude, I look like a freaking bum today. Why?
Oh my god,
Hallo,
you too.
Ich heiße Macy. Ich bin 17 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Washington und ich wohne in Ilmka.
Nice.
Ja.
Okay, go.
Hallo, ich heiße Sadie und ich freue mich, dass heute mein letzter Tag hier an der Jungenherberge ist.
Woo.
Hallo, ich heiße Cleo. Ich habe College Apps gemacht.
Please say that, you won't.
Hallo, ich heiße Cleo. Ich bin 17 Jahre alt und ich komme aus Kalifornien, in den USA. Ich möchte Deutsch lernen und jetzt spreche ich noch ein bisschen Deutsch, aber mein Ziel ist meine B2 oder C1 bekommen von der Goethe-Institut.
I'm thinking about what I'm going to say. I don't even know. Hallo, ich heiße Isabella. Ich komme aus den USA. I don't know what else to say.
That can be
Can I
it.
say something in English? I mean, I feel like you should also like encapsulate how I'm feeling, not just
Okay,
my
so just,
German.
okay, how you feeling?
Nervous, a little like stomach hurting
Okay.
because I'm nervous to meet my host family.
It'll be good.
Yeah, I know. So, see you in February, my future self.
German?
Yeah.
What? What do I say?
Just anything, like whatever you want. Just come.
Ich heiße Jake, ich bin 16. Das ist alles.
Okay.
Ich heiße Nicholas. Ich komme aus Alaska und ich bin 17 Jahre alt. Ich hoffe für dieses Jahr sehr viele Freundinnen machen. Freundinnen, ja. Freundin. Und Freunde und Freunds. Deutsch lernen. Der Bus ist daneben. Das ist ein Bus. Und ich mochte sehr viel Auto-Internship. Ich weiß nicht, das würde sehr gut. Ja.
Okay, Miles?
Ich heiße Miles, ich komme aus Alaska. Ich auch. Wir respektieren Frauen.
Wir respektieren Frauen.
Ich bin 16 Jahre alt. Wir gehen zu unserer Hostfamilie. Er hat viele Freunde gemacht. Sehr gut, ja.
Ich hoffe, meine Gastfamilie ist nett und understanding.
Lit.
Und lit. Ich auch.
Rzburg war sehr schön.
Ja.
Genau.
Ich hoffe, meine Sprache improves.
Ich auch.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Aw.
Do I go?
Ja.
Okay. Mein Name ist Mahina. Ich komme aus Hawaii. That's all I can say.
Hallo, ich heiße Aiko. Meine Freunde nennen mich Kiwi. Ich habe Hunger. Ich bin müde. Sehr müde. Ich schlafe nicht. Heute wir gehen zum unsere Hostfamilie. Gastfamilie.
Gastfamilie.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ich heiße Savannah und mein Hobby ist Tanzen. Ich komme aus Las Vegas, USA.
We're at the train station now. Everybody in the way.
Hello, we're... Okay, anyways, so we are waiting for our train to come and it's gonna be like, what, 2 hours?
Yeah.
Kind of sad, very excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see everyone in like 5 months, 5 to 6 months.
Yeah.
You know, hopefully my German improves, which I'm sure it will. Let's hope.
Let's hope.
It'll be good. Good adventures.
Hello.
I'll see you next time, vlog.
Peace.
Oh, what? It's not good. You're not doing
Let's
this.
see. Let
What's that?
Official.
Wow.
Right there.
Look at that.
There are the tickets. Here we go.
Hi! Wie geht's? Oh mein Gott.
Perfect.
I love it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Talk together.
Do you have? Oh, that.